We know you want to create a great experience for your customers. But you might be overlooking something important: your sign. A bad sign makes your business hard to find, and it gives a negative first impression. We don't think you should have to suffer from a bad sign. That's why FSG designs, builds, services, and maintains signs using our 6-step perfect sign process. First, let us know about your business and brand. FSG will design a solution that meets your needs, in line with local codes, restrictions, and requirements, and then give you a site-specific design and a budget quote. Once you've signed off, FSG will secure all necessary approvals and prepare the documentation to get all required permits. With permits and approvals, FSG fabricates your sign in our 52,000 square foot fabrication facility in Austin, Texas, ships it, and installs it through one of our 30 branches and hundreds of trusted installation partners nationwide. And after installation, FSG continues to back your sign through our standard warranty period and optional extended warranty and maintenance plans. We can also provide control and insight into your sign or any other part of your facility using our own Chariot automation software, which lets you turn your sign on and off remotely, receive real-time alerts for any maintenance issues, and use Chariot as the foundation for your whole smart building. Through every step of the perfect sign process, and for years afterward, the lighting, electrical, technology, and signage experts at FSG will keep your sign shining bright and your facility in top working order. FSG, doing more for you.